Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's G from Happiness and Crafting. So today I thought I would do a nicer page in the calendar journal that we're doing throughout the year. I'm going to be doing a whole page today because today is, or would have been, my dad's birthday. So I thought I would do a nice little page for him on here. So I have a lovely picture of myself and my dad. I have one of my hearts from the new heart embellishment kit, and this one says forget me not, so I thought that would work really well with it. I've got one of my happy birthday dad tags from the birthday embellishment kit. I have got a January little tab, I have got the number 16, and I have got a little journaling card. And I have got some bits of the scrap paper here, which I thought these would work really well, because obviously I don't want to do it too girly, so I thought script paper and things like that would work really well. So I've just cut a piece because I'm going to do it on this and then actually stick this to the page, and I'm just doing it on the following one. So this was last week's. So I normally would have put 4 on there, but because I wanted a whole page, I've just put the 2 on there. So I just thought I'd put the whole page on here, and then next week I can start again down on this side. So I'm just going to pop this out of the way for a minute, just so that we can concentrate on this. Let me move that over. So what I thought I would do is just add, I've got some of these, this will be the main bit, and then I'm just going to pop some little bits on here. So I thought I'd just pop the happy birthday at the top, and then we've got the picture, and then I've just got this beautiful little heart. Move it over just slightly, and then I'm going to cut just one of the Januaries off, and there's 16, and I thought maybe down here I could just pop a little pocket and maybe have something on there, just a little pocket to write a little memory or something in there. So the first thing I'm going to do is just tear up just little bits, just to make it a little bit more collagey underneath. A little bit of ink on here. Well, I hope you've all having or had a lovely weekend. Do apologise, my nails look very dirty. I have been doing a project which is an Instagram one, which is Hope and Joy through January. So that was hosted by Rach and Bella Crafts. So I finished that off today. So if you want to see what I've made, pop over to my Instagram tomorrow, because it was, my day is tomorrow to post. So then you can see what I've made, and I absolutely love it. So you'll have to pop over and have a look. I'll pop a link to my Instagram under the video. I think there's one under there anyway. So please pop along and have a look. And then you can see everybody else who have added to the Hope and Joy for January on there as well. So let's just take those little bits for now. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pop them on here. Let's pop a little bit of glue stick on here, just a little bit. So it's nice to do a little bit of collage on here, like this, so that we can see it. Oops, oops. This way. Stick that there, and let's just stick that piece down there. Let's have a look, and then what I want to do is just take the photo and just back it with a little bit as well, like this. And that will be right, and then we'll pop that on there, just so we've got a nice little background going on there. Let's just ink around the edge on this one, like this. I'm quite liking my sort of little collagey bits at the moment. It's quite nice to do, isn't it? But yeah, I do love the project I did this morning for Instagram. It is lovely. I can't seem to get a really good picture of it. For some reason my phone is not taking very good pictures. But never mind. The colour doesn't come out properly for some reason. I don't know whether it's my phone or not. Right, let's stick that on there. Let's pop this lovely picture of the two of us on there. I'm going to pop some Fabri-Tac to hold it on, just so it sticks up down nicely, like that. Pop that on there. Stick that down. Let's have the happy birthday up there. Should we have a little bit of this? Let's just have a little bit of fabric under there as well, like this. Stick that down and stick this down. These little happy birthday embellishments are really handy. I've used them a lot for making cards. So let's just stick that down. I might even run the sewing machine around this, or I could actually sew around the picture as well, couldn't I? Right, so I'm going to pop the little heart, or the big heart, on there, which looks nice. I'm going to cut this down because I don't want it as an actual little page tab. I just want January, just half of it, and then you can use the other half. Let's straighten it up. Like that. Ink around the edge. Like that. I think I already inked around this one. Yes, I think I did. Now, I think I might pop that on the pocket if I want the pocket down here. So let me just, I might actually sew around this and then sew around here before I put it on, so it will be 2 minutes. Okay, so there we go. Not my best bit of sewing, I completely missed some of it, but it looks okay. So that's the little heart, and then I've sewn around all the little bits and pieces on here as well. So let's chop all these little bits off like this on the back so it will stick down better. Okay, lovely. So I shall stick that on there. Let's pop that on there with a little bit of, actually what I could do, I wonder if that would work, whether I could slide this in the heart. Let me see, let me just cut this out like this. Okay, so I'm going to get caught on there. Let's stick this down a little bit better, like that. I could slide it in, couldn't I? If I stuck that down there, that could just slide in as a little, oh, I quite like that. So which way should I do it? If I just stick this bit down here, that will just slide in as our little note. I like that idea, so that's what we shall do. Let's pop a little bit of glue around here, just a little bit on that bottom bit. Pop that down like that. Oops, a little bit too much glue. You know it's going to stick, and then that bit can just slide in there. Oh, I like that. That's lovely. So then what we can do, because I was going to stick this on the pocket, so where shall we stick this? Ooh. get glue all over that. Could probably stick it on here, couldn't we? Let's just stick it on the little heart at the top. Pop that there. And the January, like that. Perfect. There we go. And then the little card can just slot in. Love it. Okay, so now we just need to stick this into our book. Let's move these little bits and pieces out of the way. Oh, probably easy if I just take this off. Let's just take this out, pop that to the side. Then I'm going to just stick that on there like that. Love it. I think that looks really, really nice. So nice blob of glue all over it. I use a little bit of the Fabri-Tac all the way over, I think. Make sure you get the edges. Perfect. Love it. And what did I just do with the card? There it is. And that can just slide in there. A lovely page, a lovely memory page that is. I can pop in there. Like that. Perfect. Loving it. So there we go. A nice birthday memory page for my dad. Let's pop that on there. And then I'm going to start again fresh next week or tomorrow. So there we are, guys. So that was last week, and then I showed you what I did the week before. So I think they're lovely. Loving it how it's coming out. And I'm going to do more, like I said, more pictures in there. So it's more like a memory book. So when I look back, I can see lovely pictures of my family, my friends, and all sorts of things going on. So there we go, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a fantastic rest of the day, and I will see you soon. All right, guys. Bye bye.